Hi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Information is Wealth by Prem Kumar.
Information is wealth.
Actually, it's a connect. Even Udan Pirappu is an elderly story. You know, we don't see films in Tamil cinema where elderly brothers sisters are shown. From the young age till their old age. But very strangely, in my family also, Suraj and me, we have connected after 35. He's 35, I'm 43, but we have connected after. At this point in life, we have connected not much as siblings, but it's a beautiful connection, Ilya, when you're not in touch with each other 10-15 years, because everybody is busy in their careers, finding their own place. And suddenly, at this age, to come and connect so close, I think it's remarkable. So, I think we always should have that bond, and we should... small things and small egos, small things in family should be just left behind. And I realize what he means to me today, and today what he means to me is the most. It's, from those days, it's like fun, but iniki, I think what this whole bond holds for us is very important. So we should stick to our relationships, we should make them work. And it's always two-sided. He might say I'm a mother, but he's a lot more than that for me also. So it's always a two-sided relationship.
Sweet.
So and it becomes more precious with age. You realize as and when years pass by, it becomes more precious.
Yes.
Exactly, very beautifully said, ma'am. சொன்ன மாதிரி சின்ன வயசுல இருக்கிற பாண்ட் அதுவும் இருக்கு. But as we grow old, நடுவுல there will be a point we'll be so busy setting our own lives. Adla somewhere we will become little away from them, and after once we set and when we turn back, it will always be our siblings to hold each other.
Yeah, like for example, if I've got Instagram followers, he's got equal followers because of me. Because I'm following him.
Spoken like a sister.
Yes. Spoken like an elder sister. These elder sisters, I'm telling you, Suraj bhai, you can never change them. They're always like this.
It's okay. It's a joke in our house for the last few times. Ever since she's come on Instagram and she posts something, I'm always adding a couple of thousand followers on my Instagram every time she posts something. So it's become a little bit of a joke in our house, for the last
now you're also becoming famous after this Instagram live.
Without posting
more famous.
Double, triple famous.
Okay. Now we have. Solunga ma'am, solunga.
On a serious note, I think today we are much closer than any of the from past. Today is the time where we really need each other the most also. So it's very beautiful how this relationship has taken its own course. Yeah.
And இப்போ பாக்கும்போது அது ஒரு living example for your kids as well, இல்லைங்களா ma'am?
Oh yes. He's my daughter's favorite, my son's favorite. He's actually, like I said, he's the best mama to have. That's I think theirs is the closest relationship amongst all the family members.
Nice. So now I have some few questions about the siblings. So உங்களோட இன்னும் ரெண்டு sisters இருக்காங்க. ஒருத்தங்க வந்து நக்மா மேம் நமக்கு தெரியும். இன்னொருத்தங்க வந்து ரோஷினி மேம் / ராதிகா மேம். We can call whoever. So who is the naughtiest out of the four?
This question is for whom?
Both of you can answer.
I think
you can answer.
Who?
Nagma.
அப்படியா? என்ன இப்படி சொல்லிட்டீங்க? அவங்க தான் வந்து பெரியவங்க, ரொம்ப அடக்கமா இருப்பாங்கன்னு நினைச்சேன். என்ன இப்படி சொல்லிட்டீங்க? What is the naughtiest thing she will do?
No,
She's fun.
She's really funny. I think in age she's younger to Joe's daughter also.
Who is the so she is the one who is the most naughtiest. Who's the silent killer? Who will do things quietly and will would have gotten their way done.
I think that would be Jyotika for me.
Ma'am, do you accept this or no?
Definitely I accept.
அட பாவி, என்ன ma'am? ஏதோ கொஞ்சமா சண்டை போடுவீங்கன்னு பார்த்தா ஆமா நீங்க இப்படி சைலண்டா இருக்கோ.
I think
சொல்லுங்க யா
இல்ல நீங்க கேளுங்க டிடி இது பத்தி பேச வேணாம். வீட்ல பாலிடிக்ஸ் ஆயிடும். நீங்க
who has the last word?
இவங்க சொன்னா ஓவர் அது மாதிரி.
My brother, because my mother only supports him, so he's most loved. My two elder sisters support him, and he's too cute. So not because there is 3 girls and 1 boy, he's also very fun loving. So everybody just he's got a soft spot in everyone's heart. So 100% he gets away with anything.
So parent-ஓட pet யாருன்னு கேட்டாலும் அதுக்கும் ஆன்சர் அவர்தான் வரும் போல இருக்கு. அப்படியே
அம்மாவோட பெட் சூரஜ் and அப்பாவோட பெட் ராதிகா. So நக்மா அக்காவும் நான் நடுவுல இருக்கோம் அப்படியே floating people.
குழந்தைங்களை இப்படி விட்டுட்டீங்களே. I think அவங்க ரெண்டு பேரையும் தமிழ்நாட்டுக்கு கொடுத்துட்டனால அவங்க ரெண்டு பேரையும் அவங்க பாத்துக்கிறாங்க.
How sweet.
தமிழ்நாட்டுக்கு பெட்டு நீங்க நாங்க வச்சுக்கிறோம், நீங்க அவங்களே பாத்துக்கோங்க அந்த மாதிரி பண்ணிட்டாங்க போல. Who gives the best surprises?
Best surprises.
Interesting. I think go ahead, Joe.
I think Surya and Suraj together.
That's what I was about to say. I think Surya gives the best surprises.
அப்ப பெஸ்ட் gift யார் கொடுப்பாங்கன்னு சொல்லலாம். கரெக்ட்டா யோசிச்சு ஒரு gift கொடுக்க. Who gives the best gift?
Amongst the siblings?
Yeah, amongst the siblings. Yeah.
I think
Surya sir உட்ருங்க ma'am.
ஆமா ஓட்ருங்க. I think amongst us we think we are a gift for each other. So ஒரு surprise irundha we come and like how he's come today in the show. நாங்களே ஒரு gift மாதிரி.
இது போங்க gift ma'am. இது அக்செப்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. இது போங்க. இந்த ஆன்சர் போங்க ஆன்சர். What is bong in Hindi? I don't know. In English also I don't know to explain, but bakwas answer.
So I think
நானே ஒரு gift தான். I am your gift like that.
Yeah, but what better a gift and surprise?
I like that.
Sorry. Do you have any favorite memory with all 4 of you? நீங்க 4 பேர் siblings 4 பேர் பண்ண 4 favorite memories.
I think we are making the best memories now, Didi. If actually we are all together and the lockdown la we have all spent a lot of time. இது ஒரு ரொம்ப பாசிட்டிவான ஒரு விஷயம். We've been together. And yes, we have gone for a 10-15 years ago US trip ku poirkom, and we've just the kids, all of us, and it was really fun. So that was also a very beautiful memory. And enak kettingna enakku Radhika is always beating up Suraj, and the memory romba it's always in my head. She was more in charge of his school and studies, and so and that memory is very funny. Right? She's number 2. Nagma, Radhika, myself, and Suraj.
Okay. ஆனா அவங்க ரெண்டு பேர் தான் அடிச்சுப்பாங்க நிறைய.
ஆமா. One-sided. She'll do it. He's too young.
Do you remember any of those memories? Suraj sir, do you remember?
Of Radhika beating me up? Very vividly. Yeah. Absolutely yes. It's not only memories, it might still be happening also sometimes. But yeah, those are there to stay forever. For me to tell her children and about what her mother used to do and everything like that. So, those are there to stay forever.
That's nice. So nice to have spoken to you. It is such a great time. You know, going back and thinking of all these memories, ma'am Sonamadri, now is that you've become close in Solumbode. Surajji, my last question for you, apart from the film, is about her personally. Is what is that one thing that you have realized about your sister Jyotika in this lockdown after becoming close? There's something that we'll always discover about our siblings, right? So, what is that one thing that you have recently found out about her or realized?
I think it's an extension of what we already knew, but it's just been highlighted so much in this lockdown, just to say, because we spent so much time. I think Jyotika as a person has always been very, very selfless and giving. And I think through this lockdown, I have realized that she is more than what I used to think. To a point where I also feel like it's one of the things that is not right about. you know, it's she's selflessly giving so much that I think it's one of those things that has just been highlighted a lot for me during this lockdown. She's been there. She's made multiple trips. She's been there for everybody in the family. That's dad, mom, us, different times, multiple places, and everything like that. So she's been there, and she's always come with that energy of solving things, you know, in these last 2 years and everything. So really, that has been one thing that I think that has been highlighted for me in the last 2 years, especially in this lockdown. Yeah.
How nice.
I have no words.
What is that you have figured out about your brother, ma'am? About your little brother?
He's wonderful. The whole family connects because of him. அவர் வந்து நல்ல பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணுவாரு. Too many ladies in the house இல்லையா, so அவரால he balances everything. Everyone loves him. நீங்க if you ask anybody in the family கேட்டீங்கன்னா who's your favorite in the family, எல்லாமே சூரஜ் சொல்வாங்க. From all the sisters, mom, and maybe dad will say Radhika. மத்த எல்லாமே I think everybody will say Suraj. So the majority people are, so he's got that energy, that attraction. That he's very what do I say? He's very dignified and very, you know, very always there for making everybody comfortable. And he's actually, he takes care. I'm a little short-tempered sometimes. You know, I just blow up, and he calms all of us down. Relax. It's all fine. And, you know, he's our binding factor. He binds all of us together. So yes, he's the one who's illana nariya sande varum family la, because he's the binding factor. He makes everything all right.
So he's always in that zen mode and putting everybody in their zen mode.
Yeah. Like iniki we are all in his house in Goa, and you know, I don't think in any other place we would have all met. We are so comfortable being with him and his beautiful wife, that Manmeet, that they both make us feel so good, and we feel like, you know, we can stay here another 2 months also if there's no work. So I think that is the best part about it.
Nice. So before we go, ma'am, so படத்தை பத்தி இன்னும் ஒரு வார்த்தைகள் உங்ககிட்ட கேட்டுறேன், படத்தை பத்தின முக்கியமான விஷயங்கள். So sir சொல்லிட்டாரு, உடன்பிறப்பே is so different, and he was awestruck by the way you look so village in that film. You know, such a typical girl madri, village women madri irkinga adla, and ungaloda get up, how beautifully you've transformed adla. Abdiye அவர் சொன்ன மாதிரி பிறந்ததுல இருந்தே அவங்க அந்த வில்லேஜ்ல தான் பாருங்க. அந்த மாதிரி, you know, எவ்வளவோ barriers இருக்கு உங்களுக்கு in looks wise, but அதெல்லாம் நீங்க break பண்ணி you have come there. So why don't you tell, எப்படி அதுக்கு prep பண்ணீங்க, அந்த whole get up எப்படி ரெடி பண்ணீங்க? அது you want to say, you want to share something about it?
Yeah, sure. My firstly, the director oda nambike, he had that confidence in me. Adliye enak I got a confidence that okay, or ivlo or intense ana character panla. That was step 1, that his confidence in me to give me this role. Rendavadhu, my biggest inspiration for this is my mother-in-law. Avanga vandu ivlo varshama or 15 years I have watched her at home. Avanga eppovume silent ah irpanga. Avanga enna theory na, this too will pass, you know, relax. So there is a silence in her. So she's always Sami room la poitu pray pannittu. I'm sure that is where she really talks to God about what she wants. But in the silence I have always seen at home with her, very calm. So this made Matangi's main character evolvement is from her. I'm inspired by her. And itna varshama oor poitu Surya oda family oda mingled, met everyone there. So adum or very inspiration. Apro my designer Purnima, you know, she had this whole look is designed by her, like in the rendu mukti pono, you know, adum romba special ah or ama. Yeah, adum we didn't put any sticker or any holes illa, so we didn't put any sticker or anything. So you know, adum or jeweler kitta poitu, it should be real, the fine detailing illa real ah irukuno, it should look like she's from this family in the village, you know. So romba detailed work she's done, this whole look. Saris also we wore just the way they wear. So we wanted to be one of them. Inge curly hair irukkulla, adellame veetla amma appadida na athai amma da koodren.
Interrupt ma'am, and the best part about that look was that, you know, not that all finished sprayed look illa, at you know, inge konjam adu real ah eppadi orthanga irupanga, that realness was so, just one look at your picture or anything about that poster. It's not, I wouldn't say சாவித்ரி அம்மா மாதிரி இருக்கு அப்படின்னு நான் சொல்ல, ஐ எம் நாட் டெல்லிங் தட் கம்பேரிசன் அப்படி நான் சொல்ல வரல, நாட் டு யூ நோ, பட் அவங்கள நினைவூட்டுது கண்டிப்பா. அந்த பார்வை, அந்த ஒரு பானையை வச்சுட்டு அப்படி பாக்குற அந்த அந்த ஒரு பாந்தம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த கண்ணுல ஒரு அமைதி, அந்த தலையில ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு கலைஞ்ச தலை, அதெல்லாம் தான் add so much beauty to that get up. That's why I wanted to tell you personally.
Thank you, Priyadarshini. It was all together, and the look, and we wanted to be real இருக்கணும். எல்லாமே கனெக்ட் பண்ணணும். That was the main thing. So whatever கூட அப்படிதான், we have just put it, you know, we've left the pleats. So the look
correct.
Amma, it was just
that
kept to
so
look
beautiful.
Amma, and first time I'm playing a mother of a 26-year-old. So we wanted to feel that, be that. So we just went with how Amma is at home. You know, I just followed her look. So that she was a big inspiration in the look part of it. Apart the silence and the that porme silence, you know, everything. She's a very strong lady, but always silent. So, you know, I saw a big power in that. And I've seen them all keeping the family together. You know, நாங்க எல்லாமே சேர்ந்து இருக்கோம். அதுக்கு ஒரு பெரிய காரணம் அம்மா தான், I think, in the house. So I've seen her keeping us all together, you know, by not reacting to us. So I think she was one of the big inspirations for this role.
Definitely. So nice, ma'am. And also about your co-actors, you have 2 co-actors who are like
Suraj is on the call. I think he's watching it. Okay.
Yeah, he's here. But I thought I'll ask you and then go to him last.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Sure.
Yeah, அவர் இருக்கட்டும். So, are you feeling good?
No. I'm watching
No
irrespective.
problem. Please, sir, don't say you're feeling good. Then
No, not at all.
then I might not get next show. So please say it is nice, sir. Okay? You're nice to everybody, no? Please be nice to me also. Okay, ma'am. சமாதானப்படுத்தின உங்க தம்பிய. So, last question about the 2 main actors you've acted with in this book.
Yeah.
Kani Anna agatum and Sasi sir. Both of them are like அப்படியே ஊறி நடிச்சு அந்த என்ன ஊர்க்காரங்களா ஊர்னவங்க அவங்க இல்லையா,
son of the soils. ஆமா,
அவங்க
actually
உடன்பிறப்பு மாதிரியும் தான் ரெண்டுமே.
Yeah, they're like close brothers.
ஆமா, and you பாத்தீங்கன்னா சசிகுமார் சார், எனக்கு I also feel we both also have a resemblance. We look like brother sister. So இல்ல, அவங்க ரெண்டு பேர் they were actually pillars of the film. அவங்க ரெண்டு பேர் son of the soil. So, you know, for any kind of little nativity, anything I needed, they both helped me a lot. Director and both of them were constantly there. So already Sasikumar sir is a director himself. So nariya inputs, and he's very calm, and avangala pathitha I also started giving very subtle reactions. Then he's very calm and very composed as an actor. So it was very nice to be with him. And Samudrakani sir, now a very fan actually. I feel both of us sync psychologically also. We are in sync with the kind of films we do. And so அவங்க ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்டா வந்து அவங்க அசிஸ்டன்ட் டைரக்டர் வேலை கூட பண்ணுவாங்க, எல்லா வேலை பண்ணுவாங்க. வந்துட்டு இது பண்ணு அது பண்ணு சொல்லிட்டு ஷார்ட்ல உட்காந்துட்டு டயலாக் பேசிட்டு ஓகே சரி, அப்போ இது யூனோ add this, do this. He was always like a director and a artist, and all single shots, single takes.
Exactly.
So it's amazing. This is the biggest thing I'm learning in my second innings. I'm working with some of the finest actors. Revati ma'am irukla, illana Urvashi ma'am irukla. Yeah, I worked with all the stalwart actors actually in this innings of mine. So that is a very big blessing again in my second innings.
Definitely. நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி கனி சார் வந்து he was an AD for KB sir, right? So they just cannot take away that and just be actors. I think they have to do that. The director department அவங்க கிட்ட எப்படியோ அவங்க அந்த வேலை செய்வாங்க.
And அவங்க எஃபர்ட் போடாம ரோல் பண்ணிருக்காங்க because they know everything. I was only like this, you know, trying to be one of them and fitting in the thing, but they really helped me. So அவங்க ரெண்டு பேர் பயங்கரமா சப்போர்ட் பண்ணல.
Yeah, definitely. So you want to ask?
Yeah, about the film, one more thing I wanted to ask, man. நீங்க சொன்ன உங்க வேர்ட்ஸே கோட் பண்றேன். லைக் நீங்க நிறைய இதுக்கு முன்னாடி வர படங்கள்ல நிறைய பேசுவீங்க, நிறைய டயலாக்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு நீங்க சொன்னீங்களே, அதே பேட்டர்ன்ல இருந்து நீங்க அதை உடைச்சு வந்து இப்போ நீங்க சைலன்ஸ் அதிகம் ப்ளே பண்றீங்க. பி சைலண்ட் அண்ட் ஷோ மோர். do less and show more. What is your take on that? What was it like? ஏன்னா கண்ணு சிமிட்டி பேசுற ஒரு இடத்துல ஒரு புருவத்தை மட்டும் ரேஸ் பண்ணி நீங்க அந்த சீனை முடிச்சிட்டு போயிடுறீங்க. இந்த
எனக்கு டயலாக்ஸ் கொடுக்கலன்னா எனக்கு ரோல் ரொம்ப ஈஸியா இருக்கும். சைலன்ஸ் நீங்க மொழி பாத்தீங்கன்னா எனக்கு டயலாக்ஸே இல்ல. அதனால the performance is very confident. இல்லனா டயலாக்ஸ் எடுத்துட்டு போயிட்டு பொன்மகள் வந்தால் ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். அதெல்லாம் ஒரு 2 மாசத்துக்கு முன்னாடி எடுத்துட்டு போயிட்டு மனப்பாடம் பண்ணிட்டு it was like a big process, you know. Court room la poitu we start talking in the morning 9 o'clock, we end at lunch time, just, you know. So idu ellame konjam easy ah irundhuchu, but I think it is very challenging as an actor. Ena pesittu I think we can perform, we can create that aura, but silence is very tough. Adu ellame kannla irundhu we have to, eyes is the only way to emote. So I think in my career I say this was a very challenging role. One is it's very grassroots level character. Second thing is it was more from the eyes, and it's something new that I have learned, and I feel it's very special because it's my 50th film and I got to learn something new in that. So that was really, really special. Talking
about the eyes, who else has the best eyes better than Jyotika?
My brother will laugh.
How beautiful eyes. You're just waiting to see the film through your eyes. ஏன்னா பாசம் அண்ணன் தங்கச்சி பாசம்னா பதியம் போட்டது மனசுல சிவாஜி சாவித்ரி. அது ஒரு மறு பதிப்பா ஒரு மறு நினைவா நீங்க மறுபடியும் எடுத்துட்டு வந்திருக்கீங்க. ஜோதிகா மேமோட ஃபேன்ஸ் மட்டும் இல்ல, உலகெங்கிலும் இருக்கிற சிவாஜி ஃபேன்ஸ், சாவித்ரி ஃபேன்ஸ் எல்லாருமே இந்த படத்தை ரொம்ப ஆசையோட பாப்பாங்க. So that I really wanted to say that because we're looking forward to this film.
Definitely. It's a family film, and I think ellame support panano, they should watch. You know, when these women centric or family films indha mari padangal vandapo, I think it's all in the hand of the audience. If they see the film, we get a collection, we get bigger, and after that we'll get that place to match with the male protagonist. So ஒரு படத்துக்கு மரியாதை கொடுக்கணும்னா I think it's in the hand of the audience. So please, when it's a good film, it's a family film, don't miss it, and do watch it, and give us the respect I think which this bonding needs.
Definitely. So thank you so much for joining us, ma'am. For all the fans who are watching, ma'am ஏற்கனவே சொன்ன மாதிரி ஒரு நல்ல படம் வருதுன்னா அத ஒரு சக்சஸ்ஃபுல்லான படம் ஆக்குறது நம்மளோட ஆடியன்ஸோட கையில தான் இருக்கு. இது இப்போ உங்களோட இல்லங்களுக்கே வருது. சோ கண்டிப்பா இந்த படத்தை பாருங்க. ஒரு தப்பான வார்த்தைகளோ இல்லைன்னா ஒரு தேவையில்லாத காமெடியோ பாடல்களோ அந்த மாதிரி எதுவுமே இல்லாத ஃபேமிலி வேல்யூஸ் இருக்கிற ஒரு clean film 2D once again with Joe ma'am as the lead உங்களுக்கு present பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So all the fans and அது பாருங்க. இவங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி இன்னொரு ஜெனரேஷன், ஒரு elder generation fans இந்த படத்தை பார்க்கும்போது வேற லெவல்ல கனெக்ட் ஆவாங்க நம்புறேன். அவங்களும் ப்ளீஸ் உங்க வீட்டுல இருக்க பெரியவங்கள கூப்பிட்டு உட்கார வச்சு அவங்களுக்கு டைம் கொடுங்க இந்த படம் பாக்குறதுக்கு. That is also a request. And so lastly ma'am, we wish you all the very best. சூப்பர் ஹிட் ஆன இந்த படம் எங்களுடைய மனமார்ந்த வாழ்த்துக்கள். as you should do such a joy. எத்தனையோ நாட்கள் கழிச்சு உங்களை இன்டர்வியூ பண்றது நிறைய பண்றதே இல்ல, பட் எனக்கு என்னைக்கோ இப்படி ஒரு வாய்ப்பு கிடைக்குமா. I was so happy today to see you again.
Pleasure for me. I got an opportunity. ஏன்னா உடன் பிறப்பினால I had an opportunity to meet you. Such a pleasure.
Thank you.
Suraj sir, what do you want to wish Joe ma'am before we all say goodbye to all our fans?
Oh, I don't need to wish her for this one. This is a superb one. It's for everyone to see. She doesn't need any prayers or wishes for this one. This one's going to go all the way. Yeah.
Thank you.
Nice. So thank you so much ma'am. உங்க ஃபேன்ஸ்க்கு எல்லாருக்கும் already bye சொல்லிடுங்க. So we can, ஏன்னா நான் half an hour சொல்லி கிட்டத்தட்ட 1 hour பேசிட்டேன். Sorry.
Thank you everyone. Thank you fans. Kandipa please இந்த படம் பாருங்க and give us that due place. It is Vijayadashmi வேற வருது. It's a very special time. So please உங்க குடும்பத்தோட சேர்ந்து உட்கார்ந்துட்டு ஒரு பெரிய குரூப்ல இந்த படம் பாருங்க. It needs that energy. It needs the families to sit together and watch this film. Thank you.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you so much. And bye everybody. Happy Dasara ma'am. வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Happy. Bye. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.